When you're driving a forklift, you need to remember it's not as stable as a car. Most forklifts are supported only at 3 points. On these 3-wheeled machines, the first point is the rear wheel. On 4-wheeled forklifts, the first point is at the center of the rear axle. The second and third points on both types of lifts are the front wheels. These 3 points form what is called the stability triangle. Because a forklift is designed to handle loads, when it's not carrying anything, its center of gravity falls towards the back of the stability triangle, close to the first point of support at the rear. Since this is near 2 of the triangle's edges, it doesn't take much to make even an empty forklift unstable. In fact, just running over a 2x4 can push the center of gravity outside the stability triangle, causing a forklift to tip. When you're lifting and carrying a load, a forklift's center of gravity will shift towards the front and the second and third points of support, the front wheels. Since the center of gravity is now well away from the sides of the stability triangle, the forklift is generally more stable. But even a loaded forklift can have stability problems. A load that is too heavy can shift the center of gravity out of the stability triangle. This can make the forklift hard to control and cause it to tip forward. In a worst-case scenario, you could even lose the load or damage the forklift. Another aspect of the stability triangle involves a forklift's vertical stability, or line of action. This is an imaginary vertical line that runs through the forklift's center of gravity. As long as the line of action falls within the stability triangle, the forklift will be stable. There are factors, however, that can shift the line of action outside of the stability triangle and cause the forklift to tip. For example, placing a load near the end of the forks can shift the center of gravity further forward than is safe. So you need to check your truck's nameplate for the load centers you should use to keep it stable. Raising a load too high when a forklift is stopped on an angled or uneven floor can also shift the combined center of gravity out of the stability triangle on the downhill side. The same thing can happen when you drive a raised load onto a surface that is angled, like a ramp or one that is uneven and might cause the truck to shift its stance suddenly. Remember, any load will change a forklift's center of gravity. To stabilize a forklift when you're driving with a load, the best approach is to tilt the mast back and keep the forks low. If for any reason your forklift does begin to tip, don't jump out. You could be crushed under the machine. Instead, brace your feet, grab onto the steering wheel, and pull yourself up tight against it. Lean in the opposite direction from the way the vehicle is tipping. Don't try to get out of the forklift until it has come to a complete stop.